back to my YouTube channel Study Point. In previous video friends, we see the all 1 mark question of linear equation in two variable. In today's video lecture, we see the all 2 marks question of linear equation in two variable. First of all, if you are new to our channel, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. So friends, start with our 2 marks question. That is question number 2a. Complete the activity 2 marks question. Activity means we have to fill up the boxes. Okay. First of all, complete the table to draw the graph of 2x minus 3y equals to 3. Means the equation is given and we have given the x value, we have to find y value. In this, we have y value is given and we have to find the x value. First of all, write down the equation as it is 2x minus 3y equals to 3. Now substitute this x value in this equation. When x is equals to 6, 2 into 6 minus 3y equals to 3, 2 into 6, 12. When 12 getting this side becomes minus because here is plus 12 and here is minus 12. Okay, then minus 3y equals to 3 minus 12. Minus 3y equals to minus 9 because 12 is bigger number and having a minus sign, therefore it is becomes minus 9. Y equals to minus 9 by minus 3, minus minus getting cancelled, 3 3s are 9, therefore the value of the y is 3. Okay, now y is given, that is 1, and we have to find the x value. So friends, write down equation 2x minus 3y equals to 3. Substitute the value of y is equals to 1 in this equation, that is 2x minus 3 into 1, that is y value is equals to 3. Now 2x is equals to minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3. Minus 3 getting this side become plus, that is 3 plus 3 getting 6. Therefore 2x, x is equals to 6 by 2. We getting the x value is 3. Now substitute the value of y and x in this boxes, that is 3 and 3. Now write down here, that is 6 comma 3 and 3 comma 1. Okay friends, now see the second question. We have to find the value of the determinant. That is, solve the following to find the value of the following determinant. We know that we find the value by doing cross multiplication, that is 3 into 5 minus 2 into 4, that is minus 2 into 4. Therefore 3 into 5 becomes 15 and minus minus getting plus, and 4 into 2 become 8. Therefore 15 plus 8 is equals to 23. Therefore the value of the determinant is 23. Now see the third question friends, that is complete the activity to find the value of x. Okay, first equation is 3x plus 2y equals to 11, that is mark it as equation number 1, and 2x plus 3y equals to 4, that is equation number 2, that is given. We have to find this empty places. Okay, then multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. Now multiply, when we multiply the equation with 3, 3 into 3x plus 2y equals to 11 and 2 into 2x plus 3y equals to 4. Okay, 3 into 3x becomes 9x, 3 into 2y becomes 6y, and 3 into 11 becomes 33. Okay, now multiply 2 with this equation number 2, 2 into 2x become 4x, 2 into 3y becomes 6y, and 2 into 4 is equals to 8. Okay, now subtract friends equation 2 from the 1. While we subtracting, we getting the 5x is equals to 25, x is equals to 5, that is 6y getting cancelled, 9 minus 4 we getting the 5x, and 33 minus 8, that is 25. Therefore the value of the x is 5. Okay friends, now we see the fourth question of 2 marks question, question number 2a. If 2 comma 0 is the solution of 2x plus 3y equals to k, then find the value of k by completing the activity. First of all, we know that in bracket, that is x value is 2 and y value is 0. When we substitute these two value in this equation, 2x plus 3y equals to k, we are getting the value of k. Okay, now 2 comma 0 is the solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equals to k, that is given. We have to putting the x as 2 and y as 0. Okay, now multiply 2 into 2, that is x value, plus 3 into 0 is equals to k. When we multiplying 2 with 2, we getting 4. 3 into 0, 0 is equals to k. Therefore the value of the k is 4. Now friends, we see the last question of question number 2a, 2 marks question. The fifth question is to find the values of x and y for the equation x minus 2y equals to 5 and 2x plus 3y equals to 10. Complete the activity. Okay, we have to find the x and y values. First of all, d, we know the d formula, that is we write down as a1 b1 a2 b2. Okay, write down x coefficient is 1, minus 2 2, 3. Okay, now cross multiplication friend, that is 3 into 3 3 minus 2 into 2, that is okay, we write down as 3 into minus 2 into 2, we getting minus 2 and minus minus become plus, therefore 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, the value of the d is 7, that is determinant. Okay, now we have to find the value of dx, that is 5. Okay, 5 minus 2 10 and 3. 5 into 3 15. Here is a first minus, then minus 2 into 10, that is minus minus getting plus and becomes 20, therefore 15 plus 20 is equals to 35. Now we have to find the value of dy. Okay, we know that x coefficient is 1 5, write down as it is 1 5 2 10 2 10, then multiply, cross multiply, that is 10 into 1, that is 10, minus 2 into 5, that is 10, 10 minus 10 becomes 0, therefore the value of the dy is 0. Okay, by Cramer's rule we know the formula of x, that is dx by d. We know the value of dx, and the dx value is 35 and the d value is 7, therefore 7 5s are 35. Okay, now y formula is dy by d. Dy value is 0 and d value is 7, therefore 7 divided by 0 is 0. Okay, here we finish the question number 2a. So start with our next question, this is question number 2b. I hope friends you understand the question number 2a. Now we start with question number 2b. If you have any doubt in question number 2a, you can ask below in the comment section. Okay, now friend, first of all we start with our question number 2b. First question, this also 2 marks question friends. Okay, now first question is, the difference between an angle and its complement is 10 degree. Find the measurement of larger angle. Okay, we have to find the measurement of larger angle. We know that complement angles are 90 degree, therefore x plus y is equals to 90 degree, that is complement angle, and its difference means x minus y, difference means minus, therefore x minus y equals to 10, that is equation number 2. Okay, now 2x 90 plus 10 becomes 100, it is getting cancelled, we are doing the addition here, that is x plus x 2x and 90 plus 10 100 plus y minus y getting cancelled, therefore 2x is equals to 100, x is equals to 100 by 2. Okay, 2 when divided by 100 getting 50, therefore the x value is 50. When we substitute in equation 1, we get x plus y equals to 19, that is our equation number 1. We substitute the value of x, that is x 50 plus y, that is we have to find, equals to 90, y is equals to plus 50 becomes minus 50, y is equals to 90 minus 50, y is equals to 40. Therefore x comma y is equals to 50 comma 40, therefore measure of the larger angle is 50. Now friend, see the second question of question number 2, that is find the value of 5 2 0 minus 1. Here it is similar to question number 2a. We have find the determinant value in question number 2a. Here also same friends, we do the cross multiplication, that is 5 into minus 1, that is minus 5, and minus 2 into 0, that is 0, therefore our answer is minus 5. The value of this determinant is minus 5. Now see the third question. For the equation y plus 2x is equals to 19 and 2x minus 3y equals to minus 3, find the value of d. We know the formula. First write down the equation in proper format, that is 2x plus y equals to 19, that is mark it as equation number 1, and write down the second equation as 2x minus 3y equals to minus 3, mark it as equation number 2. First of all friend, we know the formula of d, that is a1 b1 a2 b2. Okay, here is a1 is 2, b1 is 1, that is y's coefficient. Here is a2 is 2 and b2 is minus 3, x coefficient is 2, y's coefficient is minus 3. Write down in the determinant format, that is 2 1 2 minus 3. Okay, now friends, do the cross multiplication, that is 2 into minus 3. Okay, minus 3 into 2 minus, now do this cross multiplication, that is 1 into 2, minus 3 into 2 getting minus 6, minus and 2 as it is, minus minus become plus, and the larger number is 6, therefore here is minus 8. Therefore the value of the d, that is determinant value, is minus 8. Okay, now we start with our fourth question friends, that is in the equation 2x minus y equals to 2, if x is equals to 3, then find the y is equals to, then find y. Okay, it is very easy friends. We know the x value, we have to find the y value. Equation is given. First of all write the equation as it is, 2x minus y equals to 2. Okay, now x, we know that x is equals to 3. Now substitute this x value in this equation, you getting the y solution. Therefore substitute x in the equation, we get 2 into 3. In place of x there is 3. 2 into 3 minus y equals to 2. 2 into 3 is 6 minus y equals to 2. This plus 6 become minus 6. Okay, minus y is equals to 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 becomes minus 4 because 6 is larger number as compared to 2 and having the minus sign, therefore it is becomes minus 4. Minus minus getting cancelled and the value of the y is 4. Okay. Okay friends, we see the fifth question now. Fifth question is, if 2 comma minus 5 is the solution of the equation 2x minus ky equals to 14, then we have to find the value of k. Okay, it is all the question given in this question bank friends are very easy. You have to find only simple steps. Okay, now find that x value is 2, y value is minus 5. We have to find the value of k. Okay, write down the equation as it is, that is 2x minus ky equals to 14. We know the value of x, that is 2, and y value is minus 5. Okay, therefore substitute the value of x and y in the given equation, that is 2 into 2, in place of x there is 2, minus k into y means y value is minus 5, therefore it is minus 5 is equals to 14. Now do multiplication, 2 into 2 4, minus minus become plus, it is getting 5k is equals to 14. We have to find k value, therefore this plus 4 getting this side becomes minor. 5k is equals to 14 minus 4, k is equals to 14 minus 4 is 10, and we divided by 5 because this 5 is in multiplication form. When getting there becomes divide, therefore 5 divided by 10, k value is 2. Okay, now see the sixth question friend. For the equation a plus 2b is equals to 7, find a when b is given, that is b is equals to 4. B is given, we have to find the friend value of a. Okay, a plus 2b is equals to 7. Write down the equation as it is and substitute the value of b in this equation. In place of b there is 4, therefore a plus 2 into 4 is equals to 7. A plus 2 into 4 is 8 is equals to 7. When this plus 8 is getting this side becomes minus, a is equals to 7 minus 8. Therefore the value of a is minus 1 because 8 is bigger number and having the minus sign, therefore it is minus 1. Therefore we getting the value of a as minus 1. Okay, seventh question is, decide whether x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 1 is the solution of the equation 2x plus y equals to 3 or not. We have to find that it is the solution of the equation or not. Okay, how we check that LHS is equal to RHS? First of all, we substitute the value of x and y in this equation and we check it is getting 3 or not. Okay, write down the equation, that is 2x plus y, and substitute the value of x, that is 2, and value of y, that is minus 1. Okay, 2 into x means 2 plus y is minus 1. Therefore 2 into 2 4 plus minus minus and 1 as it is, 4 minus 1 3. Therefore it is getting same as 3. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 1 are the solution of the equation. Okay, I hope you understand friends. Now we start with our 8th question, that is using variables a and b, write any two equation whose solution is 0, 2. It is very easy friend, that is we using the variables a and b, solution is 0, 2. First equation is a plus b is equals to 2, that is equation number 1. If we substitute the value of a as 0 and b as 2, we getting the value is equals to 2. Therefore solution is satisfied. Therefore the first equation is a plus b equals to 2. Second equation is 2a plus 2b equals to 4. Okay, 2a plus 2b equals to 4. If we substitute in place of a 0, that is becomes 0 and 2 into 2 becomes 4. Okay, it is also satisfy the equation. Okay, now third one is 4a plus 4b equals to 8. If we substitute a in place of 0 and b as 2, we getting the value as 8. Okay, now friend we start with our next question. Okay friend, we see now the 9th question of question number 2b, that is 2 marks question. The 9th question is 52x. Okay, 9th question is, if 52x plus 65y is equals to 183 and 65x plus 52y is equals to 168, then we have to find the value of x plus y. We have to find the value of x plus y. Okay, first of all write down the first equation as 52x plus 65y is equals to 183. Mark it as equation number 1 friends. Write down second equation, that is 65x plus 52y is equals to 168. We have to find x plus y. Therefore we have to doing addition here friend. Therefore adding equation 1 and 2. When 52x plus 65x, 52x plus 65x becomes 117x and 65y plus 52y becomes 117y. Okay, now 183 plus 1 is 68, that is 351. Now we dividing throughout by 117, we getting the x plus y value, that is 117 1 are 117 and 117 3 is 351. Therefore x plus y equals to 3. Therefore the value of the x plus y is 3. Okay, now see the 10th question, friend, that is state with reason whether the point 3 comma minus 2 will lie on the graph of the equation phi m minus 3n equals to minus 21. Okay, that is equation is phi m minus 3n equals to minus 21. We write down the equation. If this pointer satisfy this equation, then it is lie on the graph. If it is not satisfy, then it is does not lie on the graph. Okay, now write down the first equation as it is, that is phi m minus 3n equals to minus 21. We know the value of the m and the n. M value is 3 and the n value is minus 2. Substitute in the equation. Okay, 5 into m, that is 3, minus 3 into n, that is minus 2, 5 into 3 is 15, minus minus become plus, and 3 into 2 is 6. Therefore 15 plus 6 becomes 21, and here is minus 21. Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS, means this point are not satisfy the equation. Therefore point 3 comma minus 2 does not lie on the graph of the equation phi m minus 3n is equals to minus 21. I hope you understand the question number 2b. Now we start with our question number 3a, friends. That is question number 1. In this question we have to given the diagram. Okay, that is x, x, y, and here is given that I am an isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangles mean two sides are congruent. My base is 3 cm more than twice my congruent side. My perimeter is 35 cm. Find my base. Okay, now we see the first condition, that is isosceles triangle. My base is 3 cm more. Okay, 3 cm more means plus than twice my congruent side. Okay, congruent side means my base is, okay, y is base. Okay, y is equals to, it is twice of my congruent side. Okay, twice of my congruent side means that is 2x, and 3 cm more means plus 3. This is our first condition, friend. And the second condition is my perimeter is 35 cm. What is the perimeter? That is the addition of all three sides, that is x plus y. Okay, now the perimeter is given, that is 35 cm. Now add all the three sides, that is x plus y equals to 35. Therefore x plus x, 2x plus y equals to 35. First equation is, write down the equation in proper format, that is 2x becomes minus, there minus 2x plus y is equals to 3. That is equation number 2. Okay, second equation is 2x plus y equals to 35. Now when we adding the equation, 2x getting cancelled and y becomes 2y equals to 38. Therefore y is equals to 38 by 2, y is equals to 19. Okay, this is the value of base of the isosceles triangle. We have to find the sides of isosceles triangle also. Now we substitute this y value in the equation number 2, that is 2x plus y equals to 35. 2x plus y, that is 19, is equals to 35. 2x is equals to 35 minus 19. Okay, 35 minus 19 is 16. Therefore 2x is equals to 16, x is equals to 8. Therefore the side of the isosceles triangle's congruent sides are 8 cm, and the base of the isosceles triangle is 19 cm. Okay, see friends, second question of question number 3a, that is complete the following tables to draw the graph of 3x minus 2y equals to 18. Okay, it is similar, that is we do in the question number 2a. X value is given, y value is given first, then x value is given, we have to find the y value. X value is given, we have to find the y value, and the x value is given, that is 6, we have to find the y value. Okay, now solution is, friend, first of all write down this equation, that is 3x minus 2y equals to 18. First substitute x as 0 and minus 9. Therefore when x is equals to 0, y is equals to minus 9. 3 into 0, that is x value, minus 2 into y value, that is minus 9, minus become plus, and plus 18. Therefore these solutions are satisfy this equation. Now start with, we have to find the y value. Now x value is given. Okay, now x value is 4. Substitute this x value is 4 in this equation, that is 3x minus 2y equals to 18. X value is 4, therefore 3 into 4, that is 12 minus 2y equals to 18. This 12 when getting this side becomes minus, because here it is plus and there becomes minus. Minus 2y is equals to 18 minus 12. Okay, minus 2y equals to 18 minus 12, 6. Okay, minus 2y equals to 6. Therefore y is equals to 6 by minus 2. 2 3s are 6 and minus 7. Therefore it is becomes minus 3. Therefore the y value is minus 3. Write down here minus 3. Okay, now second is x value is 2. Now substitute the x as 2 in this equation, that is 3x minus 2y equals to 18. 3 into 2 minus 2y equals to 18. 3 into 2 is 6, minus 2y equals to 18. This plus 6 becomes minus when it is getting this side. Minus 2y equals to 18 minus 6, that is 12. Minus 2y equals to 12. Y is equals to 12 by minus 2. Minus 2 divided by 12. Okay, therefore the y value is minus 6. Now write down this y value in these empty places. Okay, now friend, x is given. Okay, sorry, y is given. We have to find the x value. Okay, 3x minus 2y equals to 18. X value, we have to find the x value. Y value is given, that is, write down equation 3x minus 2y equals to 18 and substitute the value of y, that is 0. When when we substitute the value of 0, y as 0, therefore 3x minus 2 into 0. Okay, 2 into 0 is 0, is equals to 18, therefore 3x minus 0 equals to 18. 3x is equals to 18, x is 0, therefore 3x is equals to 18, x is equals to 18 by 3. 3 6 is 18, therefore the value of x is 6. Okay, therefore when we substitute y as 0, x value is 6. I hope you understand, friends. Now we see the last question of question number 3, that is third question, friends. The sum of the two digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digit is 132. The digit in the 10th place is 2 more than the digit in the unit place. Complete the activity to find the original number. Okay, we have to complete. This is the activity question, friends. Means you have to fill only the empty boxes. Okay. First activity, let the digit in the unit place is y and the digit in the 10th place is x. Okay, this is given. The number is 10. Now the number is 2 more. Okay, the number is 10x plus y, that is given. The number obtained by interchanging the digit, that is given, that is 132. Then write down in this box, that is 132. The sum of the numbers and the number obtained by interchanging the digit is 130. We see the last question of question number 3a, that is the activity question, friends. The question is, the sum of the two digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digit is 132. The digit in the 10th place is 2 more than the digit in the unit place. Complete the activity to find the original number. This is the activity question, means you have to fill only the empty boxes. Okay, let the digit in the unit place is y and the digit in the 10th place is x, that is given. The number is equals to 10x plus y, it is also given. Therefore the number obtained by interchanging the digit is 132, that is given in the question. Okay, the sum of the number and the number obtained by interchanging the digit is 132. Therefore means 10x plus y and interchanging the digit, that is when x is y and y is x. Okay, that is 10x plus y plus 10y plus x is equals to 132. Now we have to x plus y, that is 10x plus x, that is 11x, and 10y plus y, that is 11y, is equals to 132, and therefore 11x plus 11y is equals to 132. Therefore x plus y equals to 12. Okay, by second condition, digit in the 10th place is equals to digit in the unit place plus 2. Okay, means that is x minus y is equals to 2, that is equation number 2. Now while we solving equation 1 and 2, that is first equation is x plus y equals to 12 and x minus y equals to 2. Okay, now friends, write down as equation number 1 and 2. When we adding, plus y and minus y becomes cancelled, and this x plus x becomes 2x. 12 plus 2 is 14, x is equals to 14 by 2, and 2 7 is 14, therefore the x value is 7. Now while we solving the equation 1 and 2, x value is 7, and when substitute x value in equation number 1, that is x plus y equals to 12, 7 plus y equals to 12, y is equals to 12, plus 7 becomes minus 7, and y is equals to 5. Therefore we getting the value of y as 5, therefore y is equals to 5. Okay, now digit in the unit place is y and the digit in the tens place is x. Therefore while we adding 132 as x y in the tens place and the unit place. Okay, 132 plus 75, we getting the 5 plus 2 as 7, 7 3 0 0 1 carry 1 1 1 2. Okay, the number is 207. Therefore the original number is 207. I hope you understand this video, friends. If you have any doubt regarding this video, you can comment below in the section. If you are not watch our section 1 video, you can go below in the comment box. The link is provided. Please Friends, share this video to your friends also.
Thank you so much friends for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and share to your friends.